Hello, everyone. Today, I want to share something incredible with you. Listen carefully because this could be the moment that changes your life forever. Do you ever feel stuck? Like no matter how hard you try, life keeps pulling you down? You scroll through social media thinking, why can't I have that success, that car, that life? Well, let me tell you this. You can have it. You deserve it. But here's the truth. The only person standing in your way is you. Let me explain. Every successful person you admire started from zero. They had doubts. They had fears. They faced obstacles. But they chose to rise above them. And so can you. You have one life, one chance to be the best version of yourself. Stop wasting it on regret, fear, or worrying about what others think. This is your journey, not theirs. If you truly want to change your life, stay with me because I'm going to show you how to change your mindset, overcome your environment, and build a life you love. This isn't just about motivation. This is about taking action. Part 1. The power of self-discovery. Ask yourself right now, what do I want in life? What makes me happy? Most people live their lives doing what others expect of them. Maybe your parents want you to become a lawyer or a doctor. Yes, you can become one. But if it's not your passion, you'll never feel fulfilled. You'll wake up in 20 years and regret not following your dreams. I know this because I've been there. I come from a country where dreaming big wasn't encouraged. My neighbors, relatives, even friends said, "Be realistic, stick to what's safe." But let me tell you something. Safety doesn't bring happiness. Following your passion does. When I moved to a new country, I saw a world of opportunities. Entrepreneurs, luxurious lifestyles, people living their dreams. It changed my mindset. I realized if they can do it, so can I, and so can you. But it starts with asking yourself the right questions. What excites me? What are my hobbies? What kind of life do I want to live? Write your answers down. This is the first step to discovering your purpose. Here's a hard truth. Your environment shapes your mindset. If you're surrounded by people who say, "You can't do this," you'll start believing them. For example, when I told people I wanted to teach English on YouTube, they laughed. They said, "Who's going to watch you?" But I didn't listen. I cut out the negativity and surrounded myself with people who uplifted me. You need to do the same. Look around. Do your friends support your dreams? Or are they pulling you down? If they're toxic, it's time to distance yourself. It's not easy, but it's necessary. You don't need people who limit your potential. Instead, find a mentor, a supportive friend, or even online communities where people push you to grow. Remember this. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. Behind every success story are years of hard work, struggles, and failures. Instead of comparing yourself to others, ask, what can I do today to improve myself? How can I be better than I was yesterday? For example, if you want a healthy body, start exercising for 30 minutes a day. If you want to improve your English, practice speaking every day. Small steps lead to big changes. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. Daily habits for success. Here are some habits that changed my life. Wake up early. Successful people don't hit snooze. Start your day with purpose. Exercise daily. A healthy body fuels a healthy mind. Plan your day. Write down your goals every morning and stick to them. Practice gratitude. Write 3 things you're grateful for every night. Limit distractions. Turn off social media and focus on your goals. For example, when I started my YouTube channel, I made a schedule. I woke up at 6 a.m., planned my content, and spent hours improving my English. It wasn't easy, but consistency is the key to success. Overcoming fear and doubt. Fear is what stops most people from chasing their dreams. But let me tell you something. Fear is an illusion. The only way to overcome it is to take action. Take that first step. Apply for that job. Start that business. Speak English, even if you make mistakes. Progress, not perfection, is what matters. Here's the harsh truth. No one is coming to save you. Not your parents, not your friends, not society. If you want a better life, you have to take control. Yes, maybe your environment is tough. Maybe the people around you don't believe in you. Maybe you failed before. But guess what? None of that defines your future. What defines you are the actions you take today. Ask yourself this. Do you want to spend the next 10, 20, or 30 years living the same life? Or do you want to create a life you're proud of? If your answer is, I want change, then commit to it. Take responsibility for everything. Your job, your health, your relationships, your skills. They're all in your hands, no one else's. When you stop making excuses and start taking action, that's when your life will transform. One of the biggest reasons people don't chase their dreams is the fear of failure. But failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is part of the journey to success. Think about this. Thomas Edison failed 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. J.K. Rowling was rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter became a global phenomenon. Failure teaches you what doesn't work so you can figure out what does. Every time you fail, you're one step closer to success. So instead of fearing failure, embrace it. Learn from it. Use it as fuel to grow stronger. Here's a lesson that changed my life. People will judge you no matter what you do. If you follow your dreams, they'll say, you're crazy. If you don't, they'll call you lazy. So why not do what makes you happy? I've been there. People mocked me, said I was wasting my time, but I ignored them because I knew my purpose. Eventually, those same people came to me for advice. The truth is, most people who judge you are just projecting their own fears and insecurities. Don't let their opinions control your life. You're the one living your life, not them. So be bold, be unapologetic. Do what sets your soul on fire. Let's talk about some real-life problems and how to overcome them. Problem 1. I feel stuck in my job. Start learning a new skill. Use your free time to take online courses, read books, or practice something you're passionate about. Network with people in the field you want to join. Problem 2. I have no motivation. Motivation doesn't come from nowhere. It comes from action. Start small. Do one productive thing today and let that momentum build. Write down your goals and remind yourself why you want them. Problem 3. I'm bad at English. Practice daily. Speak to yourself in English. Watch movies with subtitles. Read simple books. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is a step toward fluency. Problem 4. I feel overwhelmed by social media. Limit your screen time. Unfollow accounts that make you feel bad about yourself. Focus on your own journey instead of comparing it to others. Success isn't about big, dramatic changes. It's about small, consistent habits that add up over time. Here are some habits that can change your life. Daily reading. Read for just 15 minutes a day to grow your knowledge. Journaling. Write down your thoughts, goals, and what you're grateful for. Morning routine. Start your day with intention. Meditate, exercise, and plan your goals. Skill building. Spend time every day improving a skill that's important to your dream. For example, when I wanted to improve my English, I made a habit of learning 5 new words every day. Over a year, that's 1,825 new words. Imagine what you can achieve with small daily habits. Visualize your dream life. Close your eyes and imagine, where are you living? What are you doing? How do you feel? Visualization is powerful because it trains your brain to focus on your goals. Now, ask yourself, what steps can I take today to get closer to that life? Break it down into small, actionable steps, and start now. Shift your mindset. Think like a winner. Winning starts in your mind. The way you think about yourself and your life will determine the direction you move toward. If you see yourself as someone who is capable, someone who is deserving of success, then you'll start attracting those opportunities. But if you think you're stuck, that the world is against you, or that things will never improve, you'll end up stuck right where you are. How do you shift your mindset? Stop the negativity. Every time a negative thought enters your head, challenge it. Ask, is this thought helpful? Replace it with something positive. Focus on abundance. Often people have a mindset of scarcity. They think, there isn't enough for everyone. But guess what? There's enough success, money, and opportunities for everyone. Shift your thinking to abundance, and you'll start seeing opportunities everywhere. Let me tell you something crucial. Dreams without goals are just wishes. Dreaming is important, but without action, those dreams will remain out of reach. To change your life, you need to create goals that are actionable and specific. Be specific. Instead of saying, I want to be rich, say, I want to save $1,000 in the next 6 months. Break them down. Large goals can feel overwhelming. Break them into smaller, manageable tasks. Create deadlines. Give yourself a time frame to complete each task. The road to success is never a straight line. You'll face setbacks and challenges, but it's important to stay focused. Create a plan and stick to it. Keep pushing, even when things get tough. Consistency is key. Here's a powerful lesson. Time is your most valuable resource. You can't make more of it, but you can make better use of it. How do you manage your time effectively? Prioritize what's most important to your success right now. Focus on those things first. Use tools like apps or calendars to help you stay organized. Set reminders, make to-do lists, and track your progress. Remember, every day is a new chance to move closer to your dreams, and how you use your time will determine how far you go. Final thoughts. Your future is in your hands. The life you want to live, the person you want to become, the success you dream of, it all starts with you. Take that first step and never look back. The world is waiting for you to rise.